This is the BlazeSeeker 6, a compact thermal monocular built for moments when visibility disappears and awareness matters most. Lightweight, easy to carry, and always ready, BlazeSeeker 6 gives hunters, outdoor explorers, first responders, and professionals dependable 6th-generation thermal performance without adding bulk to their gear. At its core is its latest 6th-generation thermal engine, our most powerful thermal platform we have ever built, paired with a highly sensitive 256 by 192 thermal sensor rated at less than 20 millikelvin sensitivity. That level of sensitivity reveals even the smallest heat differences that many thermals simply miss, allowing you to spot movement through darkness, fog, brush, and low-contrast environments with confidence and clarity. A smooth 50 Hz refresh rate keeps the image looking natural, even during long scanning sessions, without causing eye strain. A high-transmission germanium lens allows more thermal energy to reach the sensor, improving image brightness, detail, and detection performance at a distance. The result is cleaner heat signatures and consistent clarity, even in challenging conditions. SharpIR AI image-enhancing technology works quietly in the background, sharpening edges and boosting contrast in real time, so heat is not just visible, but recognizable. Combined with the high-sensitivity sensor, BlazeSeeker 6 can detect heat signatures up to 460 meters away, giving you more time to react and make informed decisions. The 800 by 600 OLED display keeps the image crisp and comfortable, day or night. Features like hot point tracking, multiple color palettes, onboard recording, Wi-Fi streaming, and 32 gigabytes of storage make BlazeSeeker 6 a practical tool, not just a viewer. Weighing only 270 grams, with an IP67 rated body and up to 8 hours of runtime, BlazeSeeker 6 is built to go wherever you do. The BlazeSeeker 6. Unmatched value, proven thermal performance, sharper, smarter, stronger,